how to change keyboard settings on your Mac. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily change your keyboard settings on your MacBook. Let's get started. You need to head over to your settings, scroll down to the bottom, and there you'll find keyboard. Click on it, and then here you can see key repeat rate. You can move the slider and then set it to slow or fast. You can see delay until repeat. You can set it to long, short. Just drag the slider. You can see adjust keyboard brightness in low light. You can toggle it on or off. You can see keyboard brightness. You can increase the brightness or like decrease it. You can see turn keyboard backlight off after inactivity. You can choose the minutes, like the time of your preference. You can see keyboard navigation and all. You can see dictation, text input. There are various options in your keyboard settings that you can play with according to your choice. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.